Tired of using the default background on Safari? I will show you how you can change your Safari browser background. You can upload a custom photo for your Safari background from your Photos app. This tutorial review will show you how to change Safari background on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is open the Safari browser. Take a new tab. Scroll down and here you'll find this edit option. So tap on that. You will find the background image option. So enable this. And now from this list you can select any background for your Safari. And if you want to add a custom background, and tap on this plus icon and your Photos app will open here. Now from your Photos app you can select any picture to make your Safari background. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.